Jai Sriman 120th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Amrutaya Namaha. O Sriman, your divine personification, your divine qualities, how much ever we experience, how much ever we enjoy, we are never satisfied. We always feel like looking at you. We always feel like listening to your divine qualities. We always feel like serving you eternally. We always feel like experiencing you in total, but never satisfied. O Sriman, such is your divine personification. O Sriman, those who surrender to you, you give them Sri Vaikuntham, the divine abode, where Sada Pasyanti Surayaha, where we would not have any lids on our eyes, so that continuously, constantly we can experience your divine qualities, we can experience your divine handsomeness and beauty, and we can experience and enjoy in total, yet we will be left unsatisfied. O Sriman, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Amrutaya Namaha. Om Amrutaya Namaha. Enjoying the divine personification of Sriman Narayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.